that I have to work on every single day with myself. I have expectations about absolutely everything, and I continue to have a dialogue with myself. Once I realize that it is an expectation that's come up, I now try and not judge the expectation, but acknowledge the expectation. And from acknowledging it, I can then set it aside, set it on the shelf. And then the dialogue becomes working with it, working with myself to let go of the expectations so that I'm free from the expectation, free from this thought or memory that has caused this expectation. And once I can let go of it, then I can watch what truly unfolds. And what unfolds is usually better than I could have asked for. Again, I deal with these thoughts and emotions called lack of and motivation for work all the time. From the moment I wake up to my first cup of coffee, to acknowledging that within me, I might not be excited to go to work. And again, it's looking at that whatever that is that's coming up, that's not excitement, and I'm not full of joy for my work. So, I take little baby steps and at least acknowledging it and go, yep, I really don't want to go to work. Okay, I don't want to work. Now that, I'm not turning away from that feeling, it feels a little bit better. I still don't want to go to work, but at least I can work with that feeling and be kinder to myself. And then from there, I can say, I hear you, talking to myself. I hear you don't want to go to work. And, we probably have to go to work anyway. So it's the give and take of, well, maybe I can go to work, but then stop for a coffee and have a little treat. Oh, okay. Then it kind of lightens up my expectation of being forced into work and expecting that I'm going to be motivated. But then it's just that working with myself and being a little bit kinder and gentler to myself and acknowledging that, yeah, I'm not always excited about work, and that's okay. And now what? And what do we do from there? We just allow that moment of time of just being within, and then usually I'll just kind of get into a bit of a flow until I'm not, and then I work with that, and then it's just that constant dialogue with self. And that's all we have. At the end of the day, we have no one else. We have ourselves. And if we can start to treat ourselves with kindness and respect, I think it's a better place to be. And I have to remind myself that every day. Thank you.